5 major things you should do while sourcing. Sampling of products. Always take quotations from 3 or more suppliers. You can choose who is giving you the best quality product in quotation. Profit margin calculation. After you got quotation from different suppliers, calculate your profit margin and choose the one from which you will get the maximum benefit. Do consolidation process. Consolidation is to store your samples in one place and ship them together to your final destination. Use a sample evaluation team such as Zoom Inspection or crafto-sourcing, or you can use TipTrans. This will reduce your cost of shipping. Quality products. Never compromise on quality, because it matters a lot. It helps you to avoid negative reviews in the future. Trade Assurance Badge. Trade Assurance covers you in the event of shipping or quality-related disputes. You're covered if your products are not shipped on time as per the contract with your supplier.